This camp not only teaches you how to express yourself, but it teaches you how to translate your passion into a story.
BizSmart is a 10-day program that teaches you the basics of entrepreneurship and how you can apply it to real-life companies.
We have a team, we make our product, and everyone has their individual job. So someone might be working with all the numbers and figuring out how you're going to price it. And then someone might be working in marketing and how you're going to sell it.
Going into the camp, I knew nothing about business. And throughout this entire experience, we created the whole startup.
It kind of blew my mind that this is what we're doing. We're making a company.
I'm now a lot more knowledgeable on how I would create a business. Before I thought I knew, but now after doing this, I realized how much I didn't know.
A camp like this is really important for kids because it gives them a sense of what to expect for the future, but also not scaring them about it, showing them a way they can create like a huge difference in the world.
Not only does it teach you how to make a startup, it teaches you how to build a relationship. Because if you can't work with anyone, you're not going to get anywhere.
Working with other people is definitely one of the biggest parts of being an entrepreneur. You really need that to get what you're going to do done, and it's actually very helpful.
Have your own ideas, but don't be bossy about it. Understand everyone else's ideas as well. A good CEO will listen to their team and make adjustments as needed and really take suggestions to heart.
Being able to recognize what each person is good at and therefore being able to make the most out of it.
I can't do everything my way. I can't do everything someone else's way. We kind of just have to come to an agreement that benefits everyone.
The feeling of working within a team, just literally preparing them for what is at stake for the future.
What you learn is you learn how to work together for a common goal and see the innate humanity in everybody. And that's what this program does.
In school, you get a lecture, you do some homework, you do that over and over again. Here, I'd say you're more learning rather than memorizing.
Here we have a lot more responsibility. At school, there's teachers to rely on. Here, you're kind of your own person. It's like you're actually going to a job.
You learn a lesson, you apply that lesson, and then you go even deeper with your prototyping, with your finances.
If only our educational system could give young people this opportunity to step up, to do the kind of work we're doing here at Camp BizSmart, then we would see so much more out of our young people. And that's the beauty of the Camp BizSmart experience.
It's really amazing. I didn't think I could ever have these opportunities, but Camp BizSmart really helped me realize that this is possible for anyone. You don't have to be special, you don't have to be rich.
It teaches you not just how to start a business and how to run one, but also many life lessons.
You can really apply the entrepreneurial mindset that they teach to anything in life. You don't have to use it for business. Even if you aren't that interested in business, it's still super helpful to have that mindset.
Come to Camp BizSmart. There's so many different roles and there's so many different things that you can do. There's something for everyone.